RGB CPU coolers provide efficient thermal management, stable performance during gaming, reduced overheating, and customizable aesthetics, enhancing overall PC build appeal. My today's video is about top 5 best RGB CPU coolers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ID Cooling SE214 XT RGB CPU Cooler. This RGB CPU air cooler delivers an impressive balance of cooling efficiency, quiet operation, and visual appeal. Equipped with 4 high-performance heat pipes, it ensures rapid heat transfer away from the CPU, maintaining stable temperatures during demanding gaming or multitasking sessions. The 120mm PWM fan provides strong airflow up to 68.2 CFM while intelligently adjusting speed to keep noise levels low, ranging from a quiet 13.8 dB to 30.5 dB under load. Visually, the adjustable RGB lighting adds a premium touch and easily syncs with compatible motherboards via a 5v3-pin connector, allowing seamless integration into any themed PC build. Wide compatibility with major Intel and AMD sockets, including the latest LGA 1700 and AM5, makes this cooler a versatile and future-ready choice for modern gaming PCs. Now our second product is Cooler Master CPU Air Cooler. This CPU air cooler blends refined minimalism with serious cooling performance, making it ideal for modern gaming and productivity builds. Its refreshed jet black design looks clean and premium while fitting seamlessly into understated PC setups. Built with 4 heat pipes and a solid copper base, it delivers reliable thermal performance for demanding CPUs like AMD Ryzen 7 and Intel Core i7 processors. The MF120 Halo Superscript 2 fan stands out with optimized PWM blades that provide stable airflow while maintaining quiet operation across a wide 690 to 1800 revolutions per minute range. Visually, the enlarged dual-loop ARGB rings create richer, more vibrant lighting that elevates the overall build aesthetic. Installation is straightforward thanks to redesigned brackets supporting AM5 and LGA 1851-1700 sockets. With a 154mm height, it offers strong cooling performance while remaining compatible with most mid-tower cases. Our third product is Thermalright ARGB CPU Air Cooler. Thermalright's PA120 SE ARGB reflects the brand's 20-plus years of expertise in high-performance PC cooling. Featuring a robust dual-tower aluminum heatsink and 6.6mm pure copper heat pipes, it delivers impressive thermal capacity rated between 120 to 45 WTDP, making it suitable for high-end CPUs. The AGHP heat pipe technology ensures consistent heat transfer regardless of vertical or horizontal orientation, improving real-world reliability. Cooling performance is enhanced by 2 TL-C12C S120mm PWM fans, offering strong airflow up to 66.17 CFM while keeping noise levels below 25.6 dBA. Visually, the ARGB lighting adds vibrant customization without overpowering the build. Thoughtful design leaves ample RAM clearance, and solid metal mounting hardware supports both Intel and AMD platforms, including LGA 1700 and AM5, making this cooler a powerful and versatile choice for performance-focused builds. Now number 4. Thermalright Assassin X120R SEV2 CPU Cooler. The AX120R SEV2 CPU cooler is a well-balanced solution for users seeking efficient cooling in compact and mid-tower builds. Its aluminum heatsink, paired with a pure copper base and 4 heat pipes, ensures effective heat transfer for stable CPU temperatures under everyday and gaming workloads. The included TL-C12C LV2 120mm PWM fan delivers strong airflow up to 66.17 CFM while maintaining quiet operation below 25.6 dBA, making it ideal for noise-sensitive setups. High-quality SFDB bearings enhance long-term reliability by minimizing vibration and maintaining smooth performance over time. With a slim 148mm height, the cooler offers excellent case compatibility and avoids RAM clearance issues. Durable industrial-grade materials and simplified wiring further improve usability. Broad support for Intel and AMD sockets, including the latest LGA 1851 and AM5, makes this cooler a versatile, future-ready choice. And our last choice is Cooler Master MF120 Air Cooler. The Light 120 fan is designed to deliver a refined balance of airflow efficiency, quiet operation, and visual appeal. Its redesigned hybrid frame enhances overall stability while optimizing airflow, making installation simpler and more secure. The revised curved blade design improves air pressure and cooling efficiency, ensuring consistent thermal performance for CPU coolers or case ventilation. With dynamic PWM control via a 4-pin header, fan speeds can be adjusted from 650 to 1750 revolutions per minute, allowing users to fine-tune noise levels without sacrificing cooling power. Aesthetically, the frosted blade design significantly improves RGB light diffusion, producing smoother, more vibrant lighting effects across the fan. The included RGB header extender supports convenient daisy chain connections, reducing cable clutter and improving build organization. Overall, the Light 120 fan is an excellent choice for users seeking efficient cooling, clean installation, and customizable RGB aesthetics in modern PC builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.